Hey, it's Chris from ROE Lab, and I want to discuss a little bit today about our 3D printed splints. And the question we get a lot is, which ones do we recommend? Now, there are three options. It's CLEARguard Hard, which is your standard hard splint, the CLEARguard Semi-Soft, and then we have a CLEARguard Hard with a memory liner. Honestly, as far as recommendations, it really depends on the patient's habits, their bruxing, grinding habits, if it's a TMJ situation. But I'll tell you what, our most popular is the CLEARguard Semi-Soft. And the reason for that is once it's seated in the mouth, it heats up and it is a little bit of flex to it, and it's a little more comfortable for the patient and kind of fits better. So as you can see, just took this out of nice warm water here, and it's a very nice flexible guard there. So I hope that answers the question as far as what the most popular is. Again, as far as what we recommend, it really depends on the patient's current habits and your bruxing, with their bruxing and grinding. Any other questions? Check us out on our website for questions on CLEARguard or any of our products. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube and other channels. And if there's any immediate questions, you can put them in the comments below and we'll get them answered right away. Thanks.